video, I'm going to show you how to make a puppet toy. So this is the puppet toy we're going to make. So let's get started. So first things first, 2 square papers and you have to fold it into half. Now friends, you can see I had folded in half. Now I'm going to cut this both. You can see I had finished cutting it. So after that, we are going to take 3 paper here. We'll take 1 paper. In this one paper, we are going to fold like this. After folding it, same way on this side. Make sure to open it and fold it like this. So friends, after folding it, you have to open it again, and in the other side have to fold like this. Instead of open it, you can see you had got like this, the same way on the other side. So friends, you can see I had finished doing it. Now on this, now you have to put this paper in the top. The same way on the other side. Now friends, you can see we had done it. So you might get like this. So in the back you have to go, and in the center you have to do like this. See, the back part should be like this. The same way on the other side. So friends, you can see the back part. It's like this, and friends, we had finished doing it. So the next thing is we had to go here and do like this. It should be pointed like this. The same way on the other side. So friends, after doing it, you can get like this. The same way on the other side. So friends, you can see I had finished doing it like this. So we had to do the same thing on the rest of the papers. So friends, you can see I'm in the last one. I'm going to finish. So friends, after that we had to do like this. In the all this paper we had to do like this. Same way on this paper. So friends, I'm at the last one. I'm going to finish. So friends, you can see I had done in all papers. Next, in one paper I had to go back and fold it like this. Same way on the rest papers. So friends, you can see I had finished doing in all the papers like that. So keep this both paper there and take this paper. In this paper I had to open it like this. So you can get one thing like this over here. The same way on this side. After that, you can see one hole over here. Attach it over there. See, I had finished doing it. So after that, I had to fold it like this, so I can get like this. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. Open this and take this, put it over here. That do like this. So in the back part, you can see it comes like this. So I'm opening this both. Same way over here, I'm doing the room. Next, attach one. I'll attach over here. Next, you have the same way. So friends, after doing it, you can see I got it like this. So you can see the back part is like this. It should be like a pattern. So friends, after doing it, you have to open it like this in all the sheets. After opening it, I have to take this one and do like this. Same over here, and this you have to attach it like this. This side over here like this. So friends, I have it like this. Over here, I have to fold it like this over here. Same over here. So friends, you can see how to fold it. So friends, after doing it, over here I had to go back and you had to fold it over here like this. So friends, after folding it, I had to insert it in that. This inside of the paper. So in the back you can see we have it like this, and that has attach it. So friends, here are some problems. I'll open it and do it again. Now friends, you can see the back part. It's like this. It should be proper now. You have to do the same thing on the other side of the papers. Same over here. So friends, you can see I had finished thing on all sides. The next thing is, you can see one line over here. I had to fold it like this. You fold it like this over here. The back side too. Then open it and attach it in. After stitching it, you can see it comes like this. The same over here. Once you can see, I'm going to finish. The last one, friends. So friends, you can see our poppet is ready. Now you have to hold like this in the corners. Now hold like this. So friends, you can see I had finished doing it.